What's up my people, welcome back to the channel. So we have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. My people who have figured it out, you know what I mean. Me hear him talk to, I think a Zoom I talk to, and him talk like how much money him spend on care packages for go down I think them give away a Mobile, them give away a Hanover, and them give away in St. Elizabeth. Me don't know if he might go back, like make no more trip for go back and give anybody else, but as me say in a previous video, big up to Daima and figure it out, because them do a lot, my people. Other persons doing it, but me see them go back over and over again, and that is commendable, you know what I mean. So me even see Spice, me have a little clippings with Spice with a lot of care packages and people to give out, you know what I mean. And I think she a go build back some houses, you me, at least one me sure about, so she a go build back, you know what I mean. So we have a lot of things to share with people. We have Shay and Queen they on the plane right now, so them are head to Jamaica, but me no believe them a TikTok in anything with them say, because on a level I think Shay can come back to Jamaica, you know, me not sure about that. But she said she a forward at Jamaica right now, them there on the plane, she and Queen, is what I say. And also she said she a go reach tomorrow, so me could see what go on with that, you know what I mean. We have King Donia and Slime kick off, my people, because I look like say Slime woman want give King Donia the something. Maybe if you get back at Slime, I don't know. So I'm going to share with Uno where them kick off both, because King Donia got Panama, my people. And you know, see a Slime woman him a go link. You see me? So I left out enough things with people, but what I left out now, you are going to see in the video. Also, Muma Rich and the Lion Man kick off. You know what, he might bring her from what there. She told him kick off, so we are going to share that with all of my people. And I think we have something else to say, but we don't remember. If you remember, and I throw out the video, we share it with Uno. So here I go with people. We go jump in it and kick it off.
Helping them, not discourage the help or the boy come for the people them. What is annoying me is that the people them what the help come for are not going to get that help. The government is going to take it and put into their pockets. We know that, and we have to speak out. We have to speak out. There is nobody at all that is affected by the hurricane what shouldn't have get back them house or get back whatever them lose, because the government and Jamaica can afford it. They can. The government is not poor. Stop letting the government is not poor. No poor government isn't planning on building a city in Black River. It takes money to build an electronic city. Don't tell me foolishness. In New York City, they cut off everything. So if they feel that we're getting something we are not getting, that they cut off everything when miss. I don't like people I don't like when I'm trying to debate and I'm trying to look out for my people in Jamaica, people coming with information that's derailing and it's not contributing really to the conversation. Because miss, you and I bit talk. When did the government cut off benefits for NYC? When did the US government cut off certain benefits? What date exactly? Or what month? What month? Not just last month. It's just last month. The government went and fed them go on thing there for about 3 days. And them never get. Just last month. All these years. You cannot compare US to Jamaica all these years. People in the US, when they get pregnant, them people can get diapers, milk, rete. People in Jamaica, them tell the Jamaican people them for breed because Jamaica underpopulation. And what are they offering? What can people get in Jamaica? Right now, if them not see upon the pure ground or roll upon dirty ground and lick the dirt, you not get upon the part program. If you have a TV in your house, you're not getting on the part program. If you have a washing machine in your house, you're not getting on the part program. You have to be dirt, government, dirty, poor. So the government actually expects that anybody at all in Jamaica supposed to live now like one Arawak, dirty, poor. That should never be the starting point for anybody who needs help. I remember once a prime minister in Jamaica said, I imagine a Jamaica where everybody might not be rich, but no one has to be poor. So if you have a part program and in order for people to qualify, only people who live on dirt, like meaning not have no floor in them house, not have no washing machine. Come on. There are people who have washing machine, who have TV, who have all appliances, and them rascal poor because they do thing they can possibly do for themselves, but them just cannot see the way. Why those people not get help? Why those people who are working and they are paying taxes and them have a TV and them have everything and them have whatever they need to have, but they're having difficulty? Why they can't get paid? You and I know that when you collect the people them pay and you take out light bill, you check out water, you check out rent, you check out food, you check out traveling, you check out lunch money for the kids, them, you check out paying the driver for go school, you check out extra lesson when them have to pay for, you check out buying little clothes, you check out buy. Come on, what even left for the mother do her ear or her nails? She can't go bother with that. The mother have to go look poor and pop down. When the mother look poor and pop down, the baby father, the man go out the road, go look for one girl. You understand what I'm saying? Well, look better. Then the family unit mash up. The people them can't live. Me see one lady on the up here who have 5 pitney and she look dirt poor. 5 pitney. I don't remember what she name. Her hair always favor for Itana. Me not mean to describe the lady or nothing because she's a pretty lady. Me just want to understand who me I talk about. And she a talk and she would have one like a baby. She have breastfeed and she have 5 pitney and she can't get them on the path. Them a tell her that she not qualified enough. She can't get them on the path. People, if I never for TikTok, me don't know how some of the people them in Jamaica would have live. TikTok solve crime in Jamaica, me don't talk. TikTok has changed the life of Jamaica, me don't talk. TikTok solve enough crime in Jamaica. TikTok bring down crime rate in Jamaica. Because it's on TikTok, many Jamaicans would have out there rob and a scam can come and say big on something. Because it is hard. That is why we run off. We not run off because we hate Paradise River. We not run off because we eat Duns River Park. We not run off because we eat the coffee. We not run off because we eat the 7 miles of white sun and Negril. We not run off because we eat the sunshine. We run off because we broke like a dog in a Jamaica and can't take care of ourselves. Can't carry we pitting them go a movie. Can't buy we pitting them pizza. Can't buy we pitting them a meal. Can't carry the pitting them on the North Coast. Go check in a one hotel for 1 week or 1 weekend. The only time we can go a hotel in a Jamaica and when we are going to go work for the tourists them if you're lucky if you get the job. Come on, come on. What is life? What is life if in a 5 years we have vision 2030 and we can't vision one Jamaica where everybody might not be rich but nobody has to be poor? A 5 years left for vision 2030. 5 years. 5 years left for Vision 2030 for Jamaica to be the ideal place where people live, raise family, work and do business. What answer to me? Me I hold everybody accountable. Me I hold PMP and I hold JLP accountable. A lot of the people them to una come and now look work. Una have to understand that the government not get to una on the place. Una need to use stick arm, machete and something. Go back to the old time days. Me frighten me see people. I show me how them have to bathe a river. I show me how them have to do this, and then I document it and I talk about it like it's like I want remote something like them gone back a world. What the heck? That was my life. Me used to bathe a river. It was normal. Me used to make up wood fire and roast breadfruit and cook. Yeah, we used to put the coal and make it pudding. Hallelujah. A top. Fire top, fire bottom and hallelujah in the middle. You can't meal pudding or the sweet potato pudding. We used to dry coconut and saw it in a two when it completely dry and use it and rub the floor and with the genie for a polish and the coconut brush and you kneel down by your knee. We used to take cloth and do some put on we head and make cutter and carry things and carry water. We used to cut bush and tie up the bush together with banana walk and make brushy. You understand? Brem and sweep up a yard. I don't know, show it now like say, guys, look what we have to do. Guys have never washed in the river.
Alright, my people, so I want to listen what that woman is saying, you see me, because, yo, you see Jamaica, my people, Jamaica is a business, whether you like it or not. You see me, I say, and Jamaica business booming, long time Jamaica business booming, enough money Jamaica make. But you see the money where Jamaica make, it will never trickle down to the people them, because you see the people them in a power, them a take it for themselves and ram them pocket with it. You understand me? You see something like a hurricane disaster, whatever, we reach almost everybody in the country, cause everybody not affected by it, you know. Enough people lose everything, and some of the things where them lose, it take a lifetime to achieve. So there's no getting back all of what them lose. You understand what I say? And we get so much help from people. We get help from people where don't publicize on people, because if a Vybz Kartel say DJ Khaled give him how much $1,000 US, DJ Khaled me not see him make no post. If Vybz Kartel never contact, we wouldn't know. But the officials them get whole heap of money from all different places. You see what I say? I'm a people. In every business, you have to have insurance. You see what I say? And we add insurance for the hurricane or something. We're supposed to have some other insurance same way. Cause watch out, people. Look here. You see, like how so much people lose them livestock, them livelihood. The people them who are affected by the hurricane, the people them supposed to get some type of monthly money, you know what I mean, to hold them over for a time until them get back on them feet. Farmers and people where, you know what I mean, an entrepreneur, and so we have them business, them supposed to get a little help to get up back on them feet, because them can do it. The officials can do it, my people. Me not ask you no, me I tell you no, say them can do it. You see me I say, but it now go happen. You see it now go happen. Some want to listen what a woman here say and tell me if you don't agree with her. You see it. So make you watch some more. I'm want to tell the people them say now the best time to start wear back on the mask and sanitize on the hand them. You hear me say? Now the best time start wear back on the mask and sanitize them before them have to tell you to wear them. You see me? Because if you don't know wear them, things are going to go on. You know what I mean? How much pollution down at Westmoreland and St. Elizabeth and them place there, it have to turn out in a some kind of, you know what I mean, epidemic if we don't wear a mask and sanitize our hands. So everybody we are good on there, carry sanitizer and carry mask, go give the people them kind of whole heap of water no down there for wash up on them something there. You know what I mean? And whatever in our ear fumes or whatever in our ear, it can affect the people them. So here I go on my people. Let me know what you think. Make you watch some more.
Before me now, we have never washed in the river. I've never done this. When me live, look what life is for people who can come document my life, my normalcy, as something that is backawall and weird. The people in the community, you're not helping enough. The men need to get up with your cutlass, get up with your things them. Start cut down brim, start cut down bamboo, start cut down big tree and use it and join places where things pop down so people can find walkway. You understand? And bikes and them smaller vehicle there can go to and from in the community. Man in the community need to stand up with machete on the wayside to chop up people when them up thief are come and try to loot. That's just what the bottom line is. The government need to dispatch soldiers, JDF people need to dispatch. Hold on, the government not have no tractor. What happened to them tractor with a big head? Whatever the government don't have, the government need to open it mouth and ask the people them with a tractor now for help and guess up the people them vehicle. Go to, if you don't have the vehicle, them and the machine, find the company them will have it and pay them. We need to see roads are clear now. I'm sorry, me no business. 5 days gone and 5 days gone. We need to see roads are clear now. People up in a place with dead body upon them same way. That not supposed to happen. Me see somebody I think I figure it out, set up in a Hanover and some places where you go. Inside all you see a hand and foot stick out from out of the house them. So imagine say this is a house where bomb down, so you just see just one hand or one piece of foot or one piece of body part just a stick out from how the house drop down upon somebody. That a one DEAD body. So you know, say soon disease outbreak will come out, because once you have dead body and fly a pitch pan dead body and a pitch back pan on dizzy. Matter of fact, me go ask the nice people them with the kind heart what been a give out, start wear mask and glove. Don't go out there normal, so start wearing mask and glove. No, me can't congratulate the freaking government. You crazy? Me can't congratulate the government when foreign people reach ground and help we before the government help its own people them. No, where is the JDF? Where the big dirty vehicle them that were there camp? Me not understand. Where the JDF and JDF, them have different JDF bases all over the country. Where the country resources there? Where's the country resources? Just on Jamaica kind of sit down so like a big dirty girl. Where's the country's resources? Why the people them in Hanover not reach yet? No, fuckery, no, tell me not. I understand say it takes time for things to be done. But come on, that should have done a long time. Why not soldier now patrol the Alam Bamboo? Me not understand, but you know put soldiers out of them places where you don't want to collect people and the man them a try hustle and I run their little taxi and not have the paperwork for them care, but then just want hustle little trip to feed them family. Or you put them out there for tap them a road, and you tap them for speeding, and you tap them when them care papers not right because you don't want them go to tax office to go pay things. And I understand say yes, only for uphold with the law of the country, but when do they know where JDF there and them something on the train for and a Zanjam and expect for you come climb down pan rope with the helicopter say boop, 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 boop. And them something on the train for one of them. Where are you? Where JDF there? Me need to know where them there. Where's JDF and JCF? Me not understand. Alright, Canada. Listen, Canada announced 7 million Canadian dollars in funding for humanitarian assistance to support Jamaica and the Caribbean region after Hurricane Melissa. United Kingdom committed to 2.5 million pounds in emergency humanitarian aid to assist Jamaica following Hurricane Melissa. World Food Program, WFP, providing in-kind food assistance and cash transfers to Jamaica. Example, started food kits and cash. Venezuela, through the Petro-Carib arrangement, providing oil and grant assistance to Jamaica. Example, about 23,000 barrels per day previously, and infrastructure and housing support. International Federation of Red Cross and Red Crescent Societies sent 64 tons of humanitarian supplies to Jamaica. Smaller kits, solar lamps, scarves after Hurricane Melissa. These are just some of the things. These are just some of the things. So me want to know where is it. Me not understand where the supporter go. What is happening? Me not understand. Me not understand. How you doing, Darian?
Good morning. You know what saddens me? What saddens me over the crisis in Jamaica, and I can speak volume because I've experienced Hurricane Gilbert, even though this Gilbert was a category 4 and this is a category 5. So I'm speaking from a level of experience. But what saddens me is the fact that when all of these monies will be dispensed and given to Jamaica, what saddens me so much is that when the money passed through the government system,
now go to the people
Jesus Christ, God Almighty, I wish these international foreign affairs people like England, like America, I wish there was, I was saying it to myself the other day, I wish there was a system in place where the money, and Jamaican people listening to me, hearing me now, know that I'm speaking the truth. I wish there was a system in place where the money could be dispensed individually from the American, the British, the Venezuelan, the whatever standpoint. Those people were able to go down to Jamaica and dispense the checks with whatever the amount is in the Jamaican equivalent, give it to them personally. I wish it was a case like that, but God Almighty knows that the rich who have it already, those people in the governmental bodies who have it already, it is not going to be given the way out. It's supposed to be.
Gillian, you're so right, because I'm saying the money that Jamaica is getting from overseas, and them I get big money, guys, and good money, and the money that Jamaica is getting from overseas is not money that you had. You understand, to begin with, people grateful and say, you know, kind of. So what I'm saying, those monies, since you know that the people give it for the hurricane relief, just don't, whatever you have in the national treasury that you are going to use for that, use it and fix the country. And whatever the people them will give you, give to the people them. For once, Mr. Prime Minister, PMP, JLP, the people who are in charge of our country, for once in our life, please have mercy. Please to give it to the people them who really need it. For once in our life, please, may I beg you, don't think about in the pocket. Please, may I beg you, please, for once in our life, all of the money they want to get in from all over the world, from the private entities, from the countries, them, from the entertainer, them, from the people, them in our sports. Please, may I beg you, please, can you just ensure that it's really the people of Jamaica who are in need? Please, may I beg you, Prime Minister, Member of Parliament, everybody. I understand, so there are certain PMP areas that are being neglected because it's a JLP lead with. Please may I ask you to consider the people of Jamaica. Please may I ask you when you consider the people of Jamaica who are suffering. Please may I beg you, please stop seeing green, please stop seeing orange. Please, I'm begging you. Please, sir, I'm begging you. Sir, madam, everybody, may I beg you, please, when you see the people of Jamaica, see all the people who are suffering. See the man who have all in son in child in him hand because him child deceased and him never have no way out of the community. Him child get licked in her head in the hurricane from one nail and the man does see the BLOOD dead and him does dead with him pitting does a bleed out dead in him hand for how much days and him can't do nothing because there's no way out of him community. Him not have no way for walk no way and him does have to sit down there for 2 days straight. Him all the dead pit in him hand does a ball and when he fed up and she said pit in talk.
Alright, my people, so we are going to move on to the next. You see me, I say, but more I say this. You see all of the youth, them and the man, them, especially one them, we are remote them and nigga, we come from these affected parishes and I do nothing right now but sit around and look, yo, you know, organize on yourself, you know what I mean, and help to clean up the place and build back. You see me, I say, and people, if you don't have it, forgive back certain way. In the parish them wanna affected like Kingston and them places there. So I say you wanna can do my people. Pack up in yourself in one vehicle, get a person who have a vehicle, maybe a bus, one of them big bus there or something, and carry yourself, go down there, go render some assistance to the people them, go put in some work, you know what I mean? Give them manpower then if you don't have it to give back in a like goods and them thing there. Give them back in a work. You know, go down there, go help out. That me I say. Make you watch some more people.
Think pan him, in dig one hole pan where in there and bury the pitney. He couldn't even give him pitney a good funeral. If you think I lie, me I tell, go look for it, figure it out, post it. Come on, people. Come on. But when the people them will never have any house, them supposed to get held. The people them have house, have house will destroy. If a board house, give them back board house, appeal to the people them, all ears to the people them, will make house fast, with them shit down the house and them are gonna come them all up time for come in, come help. Come on, the people them what with the trailer home them, the people them with the trailer home them, whatever, sponsor some of the trailer home them, the government can buy some of the trailer home them. The government can buy some of the small houses, trailer home. There's a business down there who sell the trailer home. They make the government buy some of them and put the people them in a. Come on, guys. Guys, we have to get up and talk. If we not turn on, we live and we not talk and we not share, we not talk and we not speak up, we not go get no result. Remember, you know, them can do better. Members of the government did not tell people say them can get the barrel them duty free and what have you up to the end of November. Our man have to ball out and start talk and we start talk and them extend it to December. So it a show us that the junker them can do better. It a show us that the dead dog them can do better, but them not do better. And we have to make them do better. It no matter if you don't live down there. Once you're in the diaspora, you have a mouth and you have a voice. Remember, so we have to use wisdom. You know, the people them in Jamaica, you have to speak up for we. With the people, the government over here, so we can't do it because we're in our territory and we fuck we up. And then only down there now, only can't speak and we sell for only, so we talk. We have to look out for one another.
You're right, man. Paper. Listen, we got Falmouth today. So on the top of the screen. So down the line next. I go straight down and go down the line. So we are making no know. So no comment and tell which part we go next. And I have to big up Nikki, you know, because Nikki I do this, you know. So now I have to know in the paper. Big up Nikki and Skin and Drop Top. Yes, my people. Because you know have to do it right, you know. Big up. Everybody comment one Nikki. I don't talk and tell me say, let me tell you, we do no dirty dog shit. The same time I mix up on the pack up over here, but now I don't talk no mix up on the at good me they talk. You know, pack up over here to man when good at talk, man. Pack up over here, man. Share your life. Yeah man, Gold Digger, man. We are go Westmoreland. We are go Westmoreland for sure. Tap up the screen and share your life before me talk. Because we need to know which path we go next. You gonna put one skeng. One ratty gang, skeng. Big up skeng, same way, one skeng in a man, one and all is skeng. Yeah man, people, now if you know a thing, you know, now if you know. Westmoreland, yeah man, go like a man, you know a code man. Say what this is, the ad. Hello, Wagwan Muma. Thing active.
Wicked.
Yeah, where are they from?
Where are David? Watch out now. A stinger dog is such a thing, is it?
Right, pray. Yeah, man,
Yeah,
go
man.
like
You remember Stash, man?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. We have to chat the whole party.
Yeah, for the cast thing, if you call me, man, me think of somebody who want help there. Come up.
Oh, no, man. I'm telling my God, man. I told me there. I'm a son that man there. I fuck with him tablet, man. I'm stay, so I'm see her.
Alright, big up yourself there, fam.
Alright, my fam.
Good. Yeah, man. Big up Stinger Fame, man. Top scheme. Them man, they give me, dog send me 8 bills to put towards the foundation. Big up top scheme. And repost if you don't me post, people say world can't see so we are doing right. You see my paper. So on repost the video them, I post. And post them and download it and post it. And make it go viral, make them say, yo, right. Because we have to know, we have to see things, you know, and know, say, yo, we are doing right. You see me? Yeah, what's me now, me want clout out tight. Who don't want no clout, me want clout. Because if you don't video it, they must say you know. And if you don't video it, you can't please people. So them a drunk boy, man. You can't please them. Follow me. Me follow you, what that how do to me? Tell me now, sir. What me I follow you for? Yeah, woman. So you find something go, yeah, man. Somebody ask him to follow him, bad man. Yeah, man, I want Nicky, man. I comment one Nicky, man. I want Nicky make this a puzzle. I'm share up live on top of the screen, because I know enough people now on the phone. Hello. Wagwan.
Just about to go bed. Is Nikki coming?
That you come and see if Nikki come.
Yeah.
Again, all right.
Why not?
Alright, my people. So, I want to tell more. I think me not talk too much. I watch some more.
You hear me? Listen, you hear me?
Yeah.
And Nikki people, I nah disrespect them, but they do this, they fit happy. They don't behave themselves, man. Then the lady say a Jamaican TikTok and we stay over there. And say that come over here, come mash up poor people and thing. I feel your singer going with star. Why you not do anything, yeah? Jamaica they mash up, people need help. So when they come with a local style, them mash up a thing for poor people. Go on, man. Why not stop it, man? Yes, and I hear about them goal league. I mean, man, big up yourself, goal league. You can't join the live, man. Pray for Jamaica. Yeah, man, people. People know say they pray for Jamaica, man. Pray for Jamaica. And I have to do it right to while on the pray. Send money go to Jamaica too. And send barrel go to Jamaica. Sell me a curry and a bad boy there. Sell me a thief, pussy. Then you just know say me a thief. I think you didn't know. You don't know me then, that's why I block you, because you don't know say me a thief. Obviously you don't know me. Because if you don't hear me tell you, say yo, me a thief, you just have new fans. You don't want no new fans. Because if you just know say me a thief, you just know me. How long do people know say me a thief? You just know that? Yeah, man, people share up live and you don't say you're right. Sell me a crate and a bad boy there. Sell me a crate and a bad boy there. for go and see Mobile. Yeah, man, the phone reached on them, man. Dog, them phone reached on Mobile, man. Tiny reached on Mobile, a mad thing, man. A mad thing, man, you do me. Yeah, man, so when the dog them reach on Mobile, you know, say, when you tell them which part of Mobile, me say up a bug mash up. So for sure, you have to go up a bug. Because we say up a bug mash up. Catching out to go on for rosites. And now be a scam up a rosites, man. We now go one no in a safe for rainy day. God bless I mean man, gold digger man, big up man. You know we are doing right for Jamaica, because Jamaica build we. But TikTok them they not accept me, cause then I look at be like politics I go on with them. But me know how to do, man. I show myself and then and come back for you. Cause I want to show myself the people who want to see me. Yo. Yeah, man.
Jay, I may just hold the vibe with my people there.
You're not doing nothing to Jamaica. You're not here about Star Mash up them.
Yeah, here. And I do look good thing I can do to support brother. So what I do?
You're not nothing to support down.
I say I do look good thing me can do porn. The offline, the line me can do, yeah.
Me I show myself, you know. Me I plan to show myself. You're good.
Yeah, me good.
I'm gonna see Fish Dog play with us now.
What?
I'm gonna see Fish Dog play with now.
Fish what?
Fish Dog.
I don't know what I talk about.
You don't know Fish Dog?
No, I'm a woman babe.
You see that era though, when I go right there, so everything gone. You see me? That's the way when you go Black River side. So yes, if anybody going down to Westmoreland side, please stop right there, so. As you pass the gas station and you take your left, just look by your left hand side, you can't miss it. Alright? So for anybody who go Westmoreland side, as you pass the gas station, fancy way in the Queen. As you pass the gas station, you take your left and you just look on the left hand side. It not gonna look like a place where people live over there, you know, but a places where people used to have homes and them little thing there, understand? So even if you not see nobody on the front, just stop there and call same way. You see me? You probably are gonna see some of the kids them if you look behind at the house, because it's a whole community, but how it designed, it would look like a one house in the yard. You see, as soon as you look to the side or you go around a bit, you're gonna see a lot of house around the back, around them side. You see what I say? You have to stop there before you go to St. Elizabeth. Starting right there, so when I feel like I get the most damage, not even Mobile, not get the impact like when I sit down there. So you see, starting at gas station for go Savlamar and for go back down to Black River side, that's how the damage start from, because the lady said the higher the storm start from this. You see me? She said the higher the storm pass through right there. So not a lot of casualties go on, only one person lose their life, as I tell you. Say. Just one girl pass. She that try to get over the yard to her kid. Because what woman say? Her baby. Eh? Yeah, I know say zinc chopping, but I think she bleed out in her house. But I think say her baby should have try get something fine and storm. You see me? And this one wild zinc must chop her somewhere, and she said the road block up, so nobody could come for carry her to hospital or nothing. So all what go on, the girl could have just did it, bleed out until she just lose her life and pass away. You see me? And the woman said nobody no come look on them. Nobody at all. Them say everybody drive past, nobody no peep on them. Chat suppose they say the people them grateful for close them. To all people them grateful, you know, we take out everything in our big bag and just give them. I scream here, the woman I scream, I celebrate, you know. I feel guilty, you know why? 4 different times we go with bus load. And I never know so right this did exist. You see, if I did know more that go down the side one 2 times for itself. And even though the people them lose everything in there, you know, so the people ain't happy. People ain't happy as fuck. When I go, I play, I see the little youth I play. You see me? And the little man carry me go all the way up on my grandmother. So anyways, with the grandmother story now, is she alone? You see me? We're good. Well on there.
Alright, my people. Tell me what you think, we can watch some more and then move on to the next.
You name it no video on your other phone. With the something them down there. You know capture no video on your phone? So on to the woman will say the old woman will help with the grandkids them. You never video her house so we can show people them. She give you permission for video it, you know. Upon my phone them there.
I start video it.
Alright.
When son went to the show, when house gone?
Yeah, cause she give you the permission so we can video it and get some help for her.
Your phone in the pad, stand there, look at your phone and see.
Alright, so here what me I gonna say now, team. We can't help everybody. You know we not father how long, but you see that one woman there, we have the whole of the little grand pitney them. Here why I want help she especially. Because the kids them did them really small. Me I tell about 3-year-old, 5-year-old. The oldest me see right there so about 7. The oldest child me see right there so yesterday about 1 girl will look like she has 7. The rest of the pitney them I be a newborn baby. 2-year-old, 1-year-old, couple months year old. You see me? Some baby were just, you can't see say they little bit. I saw the little boy small. Me can just lift him up and put him on my shoulder right or so. You see me? You know what pain me out yesterday? Yesterday the man carry me go up on him grandmother and he realized I help him grandmother. Suppose me tell us that the little baby stand up there ball. Me say me heart bleed, you see dog? Bro, me say me heart bleed. When me go up there, the little man just start break down and crying. Him grandmother hug him up and I said, thanks, say here. Nobody cry, man. Me say me heart bleed. You can't know. It look like so daisy you them not eat, bro. You see me? Cause me dead there now, me I say, push by your live. In point pan right, that's where whole I place smash up. Me I say, that's your live. Him say, yeah, me house that. Me I say, where house there? Him I say, everything gone. So me say, who you there with? He said, grandma, cause my mother never did that at the time. You see me? I said, who you there with? He said, grandma. So I said, where is grandma? I see him pint up on another part upstairs where up on another part around the side, the whole line mash up. So I said, I don't know me I go in and lead the way. He said, come and chat. The little man walk. I see him go down through some gully and some valley and me see him broke one little corner when I reach. I see him pint. 3-year-old, you know. Man, little like so. Little like so, outside man. Little bit. And the whole time I did I watch a little baby and I say, yo, him know where I go, you know. And him car we go right around one corner and I go around there, I see an old lady. I don't remember how much she said she is, you know. Think about 80 something. You see me? So I asked her what going. She finds her house used to be around the back. You see me? She said when the storm leak, our house are the first thing where they blow. You see me? Come let me tell you how down they go. You see, because I mostly board house and them little thing there. She said each wave of wind take away a house. So the first wave will lick right there, so everything on the front mash up. The house them where they way down in a gully part there so now. Cause the over there they dump up, you know. So when the rain do, the rain split it in two. Me go down the chat, at first me I see house chopping a 4, you know. Chat, me see house chopping a 4. Me I tell you about concrete house. Split up in a 4. Like a blood clot. Cake somebody slice up a birthday party, bro. Me never see concrete house split up in a 4. Next time tell you. Make Diamond tell you the house them split up. The whole time down them I say, Father God, we were small and people don't know. I can't wicked them people are wicked chat. Nothing down them. I see zinc. I see zinc run light post like sign. You know sign will advertise things? I saw the breeze bend the zinc round the light post them like sign, you know. I see 2-story house where I just the top me I see. Up to now, some part the water na go down. Make Diamond tell you no. I say 2-story house where just the rooftop alone me I see, bro. Just the rooftop. The rest of the house, you can't see shit. No earthquake no come. The people them saw the hurricane. Shit them saw the breeze split up the road them and mash up the tree them or something. You see me? Remember say them area there, you know, is mostly woodland. So you have a lot of grass, a lot of big trees and them things there. So with a category 5 storm like that, you have to understand that them tree they drop, split up road, landslide, cause I'm mostly hill, you know. So when the hill get too much water, I just be a landslide, everything mash up. You see me? John, how me I go say this? The people who live around at the back part, towards the hill, everybody pass. Everybody pass. One landslide crush the whole family in the house. Chat, just go down there, man. Go down, me have to take a break, bro. Me have to take a break, dog. Cause me, you see, if me continue go down there every minute, dog, me nah go have no sanity left back in, brother. Every time I go down there, me I see something new where I make me hard to sleep at night time, you know, bro. You see me? You see the people who live behind, push by the hill there, the whole house them crush. You see it? Me not hear you.
You free for me drive one?
If you can't manage your left hand, you do it.
That man's hearing.
If you can't manage your left hand, you do it.
Turn it.
If you can't turn it, you drive it. Alright, make it stay on later, make it go again then. Because if you can't turn it, you can't go drive it.
You can't turn it, man. Just you know what's up with that.
If you can't turn it.
Say bus ready.
Bus ready?
Yes, I want to leave the car. I'm going to live and you don't come back.
Nah, that make no sense.
So I mean, I just say so we are come back in. And then if I can we come back here so. But say go take a time and say you want to do it. Just shut him, you know, so quick.
I'm too dangerous. I have 2,000 people on my life on that road with it, Diamond. Now take them risk there. So much money I get mashed up on their life. Can't do that.
What do you mean I put on the green screen? What did I say?
Alright, make me carry on.
I get too easy.
Make it still. You wash you on different time.
But somebody still have to follow me go famous.
Cause down. Don't drive a car. Don't drive a car.
So no, look, get taxi.
Drive the bus. No carry a car in the bus now.
Which don't do?
In drive. In drive. Book a in drive to follow on. So when I let off the bus, you just carry back up here, sir. We have though. As I see how we are going to do, we are carrying the bus today and go feet back. Sunday, we are going down the back Sunday, you see me? But me tell them, I say, I need a little break, man. It's too much in my brain. I just want 2 days for myself, I just get back in my right mind. You see what I say, chat? I swear to you now. Watch out now? We're there out here.
I don't know if we use that.
Just give me phone when I download it.
Sorry.
You know what me hate, bro? The people them not even have phone and me can get a contact information for them for no service so me can put them on the live right or son. You know, cause if me could have put them on the live, you know, I could have get some proper help for them, you know. Them not no service, them not no phone, them not no look nothing down there, bro. The only thing them can do is just stand up out there and look like them not nobody. Bro, the thing bun me and see, dog. Big up Spice in the chat. I know we're going down, you know, so we see Spice. I know we're going down, we see Spice, and I give back to our community and I help out. You see Spice? Spice not normal, you know, dog. Spice anywhere there. Big up your damn self and me, your basket never go empty, you know. In a real life, Spice go down there and Spice play her part. Spice get material, plywood, block, zinc,
the people, me not lie, still in a whole heap of persons out there need, you know. You see me I say, a lot of persons out there really in need. I mean I tell you, say, yo, if you can do it, do it. You understand? And here I go on again, my people. You miss enough people I carry them I carry a lot of snacks and the same cream crackers where everybody are cuss about. We don't have to carry things we can hold these people. We know say you have kids there and them would have want little snacks and something, but no one the time for snacks. You see me, you have to buy flour, rice, sugar and baking stuff. You see me I say, them have to go do with that until, you know what I mean, things can come back to as normal as possible. You see me, and carry like kerosene oil and them something there where them can light fire, you know what I mean, cause places must there with dry wood and them something there where them can look and cook, you know what I mean, if them not have gas and them something there. So now have to carry things where them can cook and full them belly, my people, because there are people there right now where them really need it, and if you give them a biscuit that are gonna blow out of them belly quick and fast, you know what I mean. So when you help out, you can help, but would advise people to give more flour and rice and sugar, you see me I say, and water. Let me know what you think.
Them thing that when they are pass, we see she and her team out there set up the thing them, you know. So Miss Grace Hamilton, and on behalf of Jamaica, big up yourself, man. As a girl in the industry, you play a part. You see me? And you been nothing but a big help to down them side, because Miss Grace Hamilton, nobody now look for us, you know. I send to everybody I go. I'm see you go down there, you go on good. Respect for that, man, because the people them really need help. You know, long me I try to put the voice out there for them help with small and nobody now here. Everybody are focused on St. Elizabeth. So you see the facts that Miss Grace Hamilton go down a west, you have to big her up, man, chat. In real life. Whole heap of material and things she carry down there. You see me? So here we go now. TikTok bad, but TikTok good. You know why? Just because of this TikTok and influence and screen recording with people that come together and help. Make others want help. So here we go on. TikTok I never playground, but more while it can use to do something positive. You see, make a bad to bad in a screen recording them with people that help out each other, you know, motivate other people for joining and helping, you understand? So TikTok there for a reason. TikTok have use. I tell you now. All of the screen recording them and somewhere everybody says everybody a help out and I give a helping, and everybody a say, yeah man, I'm join the team. I'm join the camp and help too. So as much as over here is a devil playground, it makes sense. It makes a lot of sense. All our artists them a come together. All our Jamaicans them a come together. You see me? All I want me soon to play on a part. Sponsors them will not even live here. That's coming together and helping. Bless up on yourself. So chat, remember Sunday we are go back at that one spot. So if anybody want to see the situation, just go up on my page. Them that simple things on my post, you know. But that are just a warm up of what to expect. You see me? And for that trip there for Sunday, we're gonna need some volunteers. Me and them alone can't do down there so. You see me? So we'll get the goods them, get everything that needs to get. I want at least 2 volunteers that can come down there with me and come help with distribute the things them. You see me? I want 2 humble person behind me, because I don't really like the little bagger in there. You see it? So I go select 2 humble person to carry with me. Sunday I make that trip there. Yes, me the back of Kingston I know. Sunday we want to make back that trip there. So I do 2 interviews. The interview with the elder, the interview with the people them down there saying the community there, and the next interview. So chat. At the first me I reach a west. My mama tell me say I go to Savlamar and turn back, you know. When I realize what did go on, you know. Barney, no sir. My mama realize and turn what did go on, you know. You see me? See, so when I go in there yesterday now, make me on a reason. When I go in there yesterday now, at them time that the real trauma start. You see me? First thing me see. Remember when I tell you say I see family sit down pan foundation and hold them head? West is the complete opposite. You see what I say? The first thing me see, them don't have no drinking water at all. You see me? Secondly, I don't know what down there, who give the pity them that, but me not even know what me see them a share up and a eat, you know, bro. Because the food them when some of my people in my pass through and I give pity them coming like dog food, brother. When I go down there, I see pity them sit down in, I see like 3 of them sit down one side around one plate. When I look in a plate, I be a white and mix up, you know. I just call him, I say, no, some better for eat. Them say yes. I say, why not eat that? Them say them not have nothing more for eat and that them get and them hungry. I say, no come. See snacks ya, see cup soup ya, see lasco ya, see cornflakes ya. What that to not feed the penny them pan down there? Chat suppose when you see all the people them have the people them down there, bro. You see me, I just come and just give people them on the feel like. I not say nobody not grateful or not, but bro, kids can't eat certain things, you know. You see me? All the thing look bad, bro. Somebody pick them all and fight each other just for one biscuit. You see me, because when I reach out and I told me give one look at you the biscuit, I saw the next one, grab it from him and run with it. I said, bro, I saw down here live. I saw not live down here and fight for your food. So I see me call, I say, why you do that? My sister hungry, my sister not eat from yesterday, I want to forgive my sister, bro. I want to stop past Westmoreland, please. When I reach a gas station right there, so I take on the left, I'm not going to see a big community as well. And a far I'm not going to drive down either. It's not even far. Just one little drive. Do me a beg, no. Please, me I go back down there Sunday chat. If there's anybody here who want to help out them little pitney there right, me just want to focus on this. So. Me not even go Black River side because from Black River the help start, you know. From Black River go all the way to Senti and that's how the help start. So me not go that side there. Just the part that want to see my video, me just want to deal with right there so chat. You see me? Anybody who have not,
yo, I tell you, say that youth, yeah, he might do it, my people. Big woman thing, and I just want to say, go and do it, youth, you know what I mean? You and Diamond, go and do it because people are in dire need of basic food items, my people. You go and do it. Make you watch some more, my people, and then move on to the next.
Nobody no day we have no waiting in the company. We sell plywood and them thing that want give it to. Nobody no company where you have zinc and them thing that want give it to zinc. I see the fact say people them beg me to come back and people them ask for help, me have to go back. You see me? Even when me I left a little youth, a little baby, I say, please come back here. And me I say, me promise man, me I come back Sunday. I say, please, I beg you come back. We need help. Bro, if that little baby that 3 and can know say need help, dog. Come on. Me only can explain the location. See, so when I reach in a Westmoreland, so if you go Savlamar, you have a gas station with this side. That gas station the right or so. Going on your right. No, sorry. Going on your left, you're going down to Black River side like you go Senti side. Going on your right, it'll carry up in a Savlamar. You understand? Go up on your right to the carry up in a Savlamar town. If you go on your left, it carry down to Black River side. You see me? But as me say, as I take the left of the gas station and go around the road, the community are the first one we want to see. If you don't see the community, I don't want to see it. You see, if you don't see the community chat, I don't want to see it. Trust me.
If a boy, where am I going to name?
Oh, Rozak. Mommy, we're not dealing with that. Now we're no man.
Bishop, let's thank you.
Mommy, you just now hold the mention. Hey, mommy. You just there now go hold the mention. That name that nice.
Rosak.
Yeah.
Hey. No. I rich people name them there. I rich people name them there. Rich.
Rich.
Real rich.
Mommy, I can't bother with you no man.
Hey. Somebody call 922 for me there. I can't.
Somebody in the comments say June.
When name?
Somebody in the comments say June. One, two, no.
Hey. Boy. Hey. No, you have to make sure that the two name them combine, you know. Because I know you're not gonna feel good. I know you're not gonna feel good for Rose name it one way and then
She can't take your first name, me take your middle name. Or me take your first name, she take your middle name.
So bless her, across it is.
Across it.
Hey! No, sir! Hey, I are so nice tonight.
Mommy, I
Hey,
yourself in the
people they make them baby name. Hey, Mr. Hey, you kill me slowly but surely, I swear to God. Hey, I keep you, I bet, hey, I want them to tell the people them say that.
People own
there's not a dull moment around here that you ever make me laugh.
Easy no man, my mother man. People owe
No,
227k. When I reach 300k yet, my peeps. Oh God, I can't my mumzella no deal with so.
No,
When I reach 300,000 people, we'll see if we can bring it up to 500,000 tops.
Hey, me not tell no lie no. All when time the name that they be able to across, you know. Don't think pastor gonna laugh when they make Chris name, you know.
Okay, man knows I was special. The baby is special. True. Is it?
Hey, hey, me not lie.
And it's gonna be the best baby in the world.
Eh?
And it's gonna be the nicest and the cutest baby in the world. Hello, listen to me, people. Remember me always tell you, I can't say my mother brown, I'm a brown. You no expect no pretty brown coolie baby. I'm not gonna say it again. If you no follow me up, you might think a jacket, but you zoom in closely to my elbow and my knuckles.
Hey.
Say if you want to see my true colors, you zoom in closer to my elbow and my knuckles.
I'm glad you tell them.
Thank you, bye.
Akeem, I'm glad you tell them, say they see baby come out black, they not say nothing. But you need to put up at the picture when they did black. So they know, say, when that the baby come, that the woman them go drink some bleach.
Mommy, hey people, I gotta tell you how black me was. I say like how mommy cheer black around there, so. Mommy, tell the people what them call me.
No blacks.
The way I did.
But your brother call you first to do what?
Yeah.
Aduran, and Max call you blacks first, you know?
I soon talk to you. I come off a live in a minute. Yeah, mommy. So now that me I tell you so, that me I show you say. Them have to know say me black like one big toe. So if you not ever feel like say I want pretty cool, baby, you know I go get.
Carry and say you're black and handsome. You're black and handsome for sure. That even when that picture they put up, people are say, but yeah, them see your face in that same here.
Them fake. Mommy, me not lie.
Scarcity. Yeah, feel for scarcity.
Black I can say.
When Max said, baby, I got black like that.
Oh God, man. Mommy, go and run your life, see me. Go and run your life. My son come here. You know my mother, you know I love you. I love you more, mommy.
Alright, my baby, love you.
Tell your mommy, say. Tell your mommy you love her, man.
My son, big up yourself, you know, my baby. Love you, my son. Big up yourself, man. Love on our door. Big up yourself, my son.
See you here.
First born, big up yourself, man. I love you like life.
Take care of yourself.
Alright, my baby.
Yeah? Alright.
Yeah, man, mommy, I'm there.
Alright, yeah.
Listen to me, girl. You hear me?
Yeah, my people, so let me know what you think in the comment section. We could hear where King Dawg are going on with the people and then move on to the next.
Well, me cannot paint out my streaming place because me put too much work. Go on, man. Better tell me, say, take down some of my nail. You want me paint out blood clot face. Oh, no, I'm going to do the belly. What to do? They tell myself that I have to work out and see if I can straighten it out. But boy, I tell you, they must sit me too hard. Enough people be gone and we don't want that Jim or Kim go take off and take but it's too much work. Can't kill one rap much less we go do how much sets. Push up, press up, or then sitting there. Man, I think we could have just come back and smoke some weed and grab a nigga, but it don't move. But I like the page. Oh, you have so much page. Oh, you have so much fake page. Damn. You have too much fake page, man. Cause Jim, not Kim. So why you not build one exercising place and change your name then? But nobody never do that yet, you know. You have to see one place say Kim. And I tap me out of that page when you have too much page, man. Man lose weight fast, how? If me did I get some pussy now as often, like 2-3 times per week, or even 2 times per week, it's a belly a gone long time. But the people them when not right then always then wait always stay and work more. For example, take a look. So this is nearly pack how much barrel I send come to Jamaica. And me I say, if nearly ever send you one of them the barrel and I send nothing for me to blood clot. I have a list somewhere. I say me have plan for him. I don't say nothing yet, you know. I just wait till I see she, because she, I just watch. I am from Westmoreland. You know what I say? Negro side. Negro. Yeah, that's it. But it's like hills. I live at Orange Hill. Tell the world that. Anyhow, no one pull up or no one see me, come at Orange Hill at this on me there, on the ground. And when you feel like I say me can't, me tell them the location, and nothing really wrong with that. I don't think nobody can really come up here so called harm with. Awesome. Call him for blood clot for help me catch you out of that. Yo, Tony I eat that man. Tony the fuck black can blood clot kill rat and half a black. Well, anytime I'm forward at Jamaica, me tell you this, and if you stop it to man and be and understand. How much time me telling you? Same time when I come to Jamaica, please me and beg you. Book Dawg at Kingston. Right now for now for you, I've got Kingston because no current is not here. But you see, just in case you're on a budget, go maybe aside, take a Uber or Negro and call me. You can stay with me up here so you don't have to pay no rent. You don't have to pay no water, nor no light, nor no deposit. You know, just come stay. You have to buy your food though, and you can call Papa and Tony if you come cook. Bubble gum no matter you know this. I must say I run off in a farm. They talk about people who can't fly. This no goes still. I never put my Jamaica yet. And Jamaica never see about prayer letter wearing nigger, bomber clad, alright. You see when you're that nigger, you're gonna drive 15 minutes out of the town. I'm like in Orange Hill. Say they buy me some food. And you have to can cook. And we not put up no man. And then me there I drink, and you there I drink with me. Bomba, thank you so much. And you feel, I appreciate it. And you feel like I say, alright, Bumbo clock, gas. Done you know, chat. See the gas, it's a bun out. Hear it. Lord God. Me a lock you up later. Me a put it up. Let me see me have a little gas.
I may feed you.
You can't hardly feed bumbo clot. The black boy there, why they much less. Go ahead.
You notice, me realize you don't know big streamer like myself. When we take TikTok too serious, some way. How we reach a personal life like Frost, and we are talk about Frost for.
So Frost, are you personal? Are you personal, man? That?
Are you me want down here? Yes, I don't know me like. I don't know me like.
You can't get me.
But left off my fish thing, no man, you don't know. Frost, let me tell you, Frost, I just deeper than TikTok. But the dog this me do, you know when I have a real G, this is my dog.
I say go.
Like, go said nah this you, book you with that this and suck your girlfriend or something. But sitting there, I watch me and book you so we troll. Sitting there, what your name? Bind.
Alright, my people, tell me what you think in the comment section. I don't talk too much. I don't show your time. And Donia have to say about Donia going to Panama. Look at what's some more, my people.
Bind's gone, man. I head tap and puppet tail, me see. Gone, Donia. Favorite power top. He gone, my dog. The man bad on the whole of that girl, him.
Who vote for that?
Everybody including me. Everybody that say Dawg bad. Me no know. Me no watch the video.
Which video you watch?
You watch a video with Binds a wine. If me hear say my friend a wine pan video, me have to go look for know if me want to be friend with him same man. You go look.
Which wine are you wine?
Hey top, the man boom pan the eyelash down here. Down here, I this I say, I'm a chat you know. I this man Japan and a balance. God boss made.
You go work at it. You go work at it. Yo, Binds an entertainer. You know say I want one mackerel, I say I mash up with some flour. So, counter flour. Counter flour,
One thing. We are reason you're gonna food. I want to tell you, brother.
Me and I go sit down here, I go chat them, they sit about my friend. Remember my friend? And me always I go laugh. Me I laugh, you know, and then he must say me I laugh or fine. But me I laugh, me I feel laugh. If me get joke, nobody.
Yes, you don't know. I'm to the Panama thing, you still go?
Yeah, of course. Have to. I swear upon my life, I'm gonna that girl look too good.
You see, she follow me up, I come by my life. What makes you do that?
She not follow you up.
No, she ask man them, she been a follow me up and send me request. Why she do that?
She girl,
you know you this me and paint the narrative. You know you this me and paint the narrative like me this you. You know what you do deep down.
No, the girl never this you. The girl never this you. Are you this the bumbo clad?
Brother, I'm tell you this. When I come explain myself to you or ball over who I fuck her them.
No, but you're gonna like I say me don't know how the situation
I tell me I show you. It's a human.
She tell me exactly what.
Don't let me argue with the body boy. I may start cussing idea. You know what go on, you come tell me say me hurt girl. You see me hurt girl?
You hurt the girl.
Oh.
You want we talk about this so?
No.
Fully furnished, the big dresser, kitchen, all the things share kitchen and bathroom. Yeah. And the place nice, convenient. And it down in the ghetto and it near to a town. You can simply come out of your house and go buy what you want. Fast food and all of them things there. In a town, and I can get a walk at Ibex because I'm near to Ibex. Everybody so, everybody can relate. Maybe you could have get sitting for the same thing. worst thing that sharing, but me nah say are the worst thing. That me nah say the worst thing is a blessing. Imagine you run left your picnic left or down a country for collect care package and sleep in a dark. Where that? Tell me where that. So what that do? Who they sleep in a dark and who they collect care package? Because it come like me don't know something, so update me. Update me. Tell me care package. Wicked like a big pussy dirty girl. You no love comfy people and then picnic go suck your mad dirty girl. You can't come wicked way. Wicked way, tell me. So since me no know something, tell me. The first thing kill is tell me where. Does it at AC? Yes. Dirty girl, tell me where. See, there yesterday I send money. Yesterday I send money go give me data. And you tell me said cause you tell me say nah, me can't get their phone. He say nah go up the till weekend or something like that. Me not give a fuck what you want say. Me not care what nobody want say. At least she not hungry. And if she dey hungry, you tell me. Because you know something more than me.
You have reached.
You tell me what me no know. Tell me which part you see her collect care package. And tell me who and she did it. Tell me what go on. Since me no know what go on. You have many haters anyway. You're so adaptable and confident you must succeed. No, we're not talking about that. Me I talk about my picnic right now. Everything on no bad mind me because every day on no get up on no come on my platform on no want live like me and can't live like me. And when people talk like this about bad mind, oh literally on no bad mind me on no press. When I tell
alright, my people, me I run through the rest of this quick and fast, so I'm not going to talk much. Let me know what you think in the comment section. I can watch some more. So reach at the part where she and the lion man kick off.
I'm go for my data, I'm go for my data. So since you no go come on the platform, that means say you see my data, collect care package or something. So take a picture. Since the mother is famous and the mother is that girl, I no see things like that. Take a picture and send it. Come give me. I want to see that, I want to take a picture, I call the woman and call the woman on voice call and put it on speaker because I sure know say me send money. Money always I send. Which part? She and who was there, where exactly? Where exactly? See there? Yesterday I send money. Me make somebody send some money. Money down there. See it here. Yesterday I send money down there. Yesterday I send money down there. Me send one girl got money, grandma. Me tell her say take $8,000 out of money for yourself and send $12,000 go give them. And me, this week Saturday me I make somebody send money go give them for me again. 12,000 yesterday me send go give them and me I go send money again. And the reason me got machine and when me got machine for go send off the money people it hard now. That's why I have to make somebody do it for me because you see anybody want know about the machine them, me multi-link them down. If you not have school, me explain myself because me don't want no girl come fumble themselves about my pitney. And me don't want nobody have it in their impression say me ever out here so I live my life and my pitney no good. So me clear the ear. When you got and ask anybody, you go Scotia right now, you will multi-link them down. You can't get no money. If you have NCB card, you cannot get no money a multi-link. So if you when I look now, the amount of people where they are line, I turn up in a line all long. When I go in a machine, you can't get no money. Boom, when by time I reach a NCB, if you have one NCB card, if you go collect money, you even can't get for deposit money. Oh God, man, because so much people in a line. And a business. So if you call them, bro, y'all cannot do that. That my child been stay with that woman a 4-year-old. Since she a 4-year-old, she go and come there. So what go happen out how much years? I'll leave people pick me alone. And what if she want collect care package and not hungry? She a hungry, make she do it. Pitney this, pitney that. You know now go have a last laugh over here. So let me tell you that. Because me know I want no bad mind. Me know I no girl bad mind and me know I no stay. And me know I no invested in my business. That's why no day me can't make no win. Me go always do right in my life. And every journey in our life, sometimes you can't take on with pitney until you get yourself straight now with them. I mean, I care what nobody wants to say. They do what me I do and she they get her money every week. How much people can't find that even dollar in a season like this? Right now, people online, me have to make send money, go give them for me. Trust people if you send money and say add the money to the account here. Oh, so be careful what I say on the internet. Be careful. So me want to not tell me. So if a woman down there make my daughter collect care package, you not tell me where and make me make a call and put it on speaker right here so. That are you, several brothers, several different mind. God could have never make everybody see him. What you do, me now go do. And true, me now do something and you they do it, you can't make me feel bad. The choices what you making a life, me now go make it. And the choices what me making a life, you now go make it. And me now go adapt. Several brothers, several different mind. Kiki, I wish you had someone to look about. Kiki, I wish I had someone to look about my child until I get things in place, but I don't. You much people right now, I go through it. You much people right now say, boy, I wish me could have somebody keep me pitting at times like this, make me run, go look life and come back. Someone so worried about the wrong thing. You know see what I mean at Jamaica? I don't see what is about to eat Jamaica again. Say one next time I come in with Caribbean water. You don't see what happen? You not worry about this, that, whatever. As long as a mother leave her child because she want a better life, you search a better life, and you do what you're supposed to do. The only way you could have beat me upon this and me gone and the woman not get no money and then can't get me and me again. Every week they get their money. Every week. Ask them if they have money problem with me. Ask them. Me make sure they get the money. Kiki, you're not going through it. What you call lavish life? Lavish life because we work. And we beg. And we have a digital platform. Our life upgrade way. In a one sense, you have to go clock in a no organization. We work on TikTok. TikTok is a job. And we work. That's why I tell people this every day. You have to do what you have to do in a life. And you can't make nobody take you off of your grinding. A whole heap of people, left TikTok and go look at work. Look how much people have their job and then job get messed up, then have no work. You know how much people then could have come on TikTok and say, tap up his screen and have a crowd that watch them. And when they left off of TikTok, then can left at least with $30, $40. Shana, ever see you chat too much and I'm not going to deal with it right now. I have no time to explain myself to who know a story, know it go on later. Yeah, me start black. You come and chat off no mouth. Sister, I come there again. Respectfully, if a TikTok appear you not have to leave Jamaica. Go where? The only time I leave Jamaica when I want a vacation and come back because me now go there Jamaica live no good life and next run go America go in a hardship, go pay much $1,000 for rent and everything. If life not that bad for me at Jamaica, I just me if you get me shit together. Maybe buy a house too. But I can't do nothing at them time. I make no big investment based off how you see things are going. I don't want no moderator make me do it. Because sometimes moderator crosses. Sister, I come there again, you know. I don't hear sister, I'm in the water. And when me out there, I tell the people them pan live, say, I spirit, me see you too. If you come in, but me tell them see you too. And see them say, what next?
Yeah, of course. Let me tell you a big difference. Hey, mad girl, let me tell you a big difference. Well, dog, this Swissley, yes, but them a friend. So of course, them are, of course, we see all this in back. Well, Swissley, anybody is not no friend. Swissley don't know you for another friend. Eat that, girl. Yes, Ursa Duns.
My blood clot match, accept that and I play the match and cut. All I need is a match.
No, sir. And that madras girl listen to chat.
Like,
as I say, people, we are run through this quick and fast. Let me know what you think. We can watch some more.
No, on the internet, not like each other. So me, Swiss not like me, I not like him. But when
me not hear nobody on the internet. Me not hear nobody on the internet. Everybody cool on the internet.
No, want it. Them people, we not like none of uno, and we not look no friend. We just want to play a match. People say no match. Sit down and play the blood clot match. Play one and lift up after. Uno in no feelings like uno a big bitch. Uno is a man. I first set a man them when you soon carry feelings. Murder for you all on a blood clot to them head chip. And they don't touch me today. Oh, you look like a proud father. It's true. Like no blood clot body I look friend them. They know more than nobody. Them all star from somewhere. So me send Swissley a request accept it. I good about them, they not see you. But as I said, them a dog bed, them answer. Make Swissley move from here, so. And me I see a rubber party, and when me see a rubber party and hug up here and say, wow, go on Swiss. And buy your back like anything, a blood clot, take that and you see. And I take picture. You know what about that? Play a match because
wait, look here.
Listen, this jobbers, me they play a match. If you don't play a match, me a cut you not waste me no time. Because all man they grind me and
no.
Later.
Listen to me, I said a girl. Listen to me, I said okay, that's what you hear me say.
Later. Yeah. Me not make none of them way. If them can't play no match with me when me not play. Me not waste my time over here, so make them go. Leave Kiki. Cut. 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 No one for cut the show. A Team Warriors we name. We destroy everything and cut. Yeah. So end of the day, me now go over there so a big crowd there and then no say a time for me get me little support and when me get me little support, then now go up. Me now block him. Me now block he or she. So if they want to go in a chattings and not play no match, me not depend that chattings and match. All man a guide me and me not get nothing. That. Me not give a fuck. Me not care about the little handicap looking boy.
Simply lift the metal flap. Your seatbelt should be fastened while the fasten seatbelt sign is illuminated and throughout the flight when you are seated. In case of loss of cabin pressure, oxygen masks will drop down from the panel above you. If you're wearing a protective face mask, remove it immediately. Pull an oxygen mask towards you to activate the oxygen supply. Position it over your nose and mouth. Pass the elastic band around your head, adjust and breathe normally. And do secure your own mask first before assisting children or other passengers.
Not that.
A life vest is stowed in a pouch under your seat. If you need to use the vest, remove it from the bag, place it over your head, tighten the strap around your waist, clip the strap into the center buckle in front and pull it firmly. Inflate by pulling the cord with the red lap only when you are outside the aircraft. Blow into rubber tube if you need more air inside your life vest.
You know, so I like come and play and I hear that something make me nervous.
Contains important information, especially the one of the emergency exits. In the unlikely event
You
of
know,
an
like
emergency,
Ladies
a
Dana,
doctor, priest, musician,
yeah, man, a song with me.
please don't comply with all order signs and pictograms. Listen to alcohol instructions by the crew. Thank you for listening. We take your safety very serious. Now please, to relax
Take your
and enjoy
safety
the
very seriously. You hear that? Okay.
Have insurance, you know?
Of course. We do. You know, you can't go.
Alibaba is a queenie.
Alabama, what's up? Big up.
Are there flights to Jamaica? So now Jamaica may I come?
Yeah, flights to Jamaica.
But when I reach to tomorrow. Tomorrow 7 o'clock in the morning.
Marriage. Oh, don't listen, this is multiple dead flight. You people.
Thank you. Yeah, my family. Alright, then good man.
I'm the dead one then.
I said so.
Dead one then, alright then. Dead.
Thank you, Escobar. Really like what you said. Well, I'm
Some laptops registered correctly now. Remember to leave them on board in case of an emergency evacuation. Try put your seat upright on your armrest, fold your table and open all window blinds. Fasten your seatbelt blue and tight. Smoking is not allowed. This includes the electronic cigarettes. Therefore, please do observe the non-smoking policy at all times. We also inform you that consuming your own alcohol on board is not permitted. Thank you.
Okay, I mean, I'm talking my ear.
What you say? You say about alcohol.
Consuming your own alcohol, not permitted. But I mean, I ask him when it's drinks time. Because him talk everything and him tell you when I drinks.
This is a bit of blood clot, really.
Right, morning, Carritas.
Morning. Thank you. Coming to Jamaica, yes.
You know, this is nice when I go Dawg.
You know, you're baby, baby,
what you know you're baby? Dawg. Whatever do man when you see the dog. I could have like to check on Alright, Puffy, we hear you. Alright, Dawg. I'm not seeing nobody big. I'm not seeing nobody big in here. I feel like they carry them with a long say, you know. At least we don't have no sunroof. Nobody climb up in and tear off the plastic, you know.
Maybe I must stop it. I have no manners. Good morning.
Because I could afford $1,000 if you look back this, I would have more money to tear off this roof.
Why can't I do that? What am I showing out the door? Out the door, more showing.
No, this is a shade free to the
No, this looks like it's about to go up. What's the wall? I hear something I like, you know. Chat, I hear something I like. Jesus Christ. Baby. You see when you come up, baby? Huh? You're not afraid?
No.
say fuck we start, you know. Thank you, Missy. You're so much afraid, you know. Oh, clap, baby. Other boys, I mean, like. Guys, thank you. Yeah.
And impress us.
Cabin crew, seats for departure.
Maybe why you sound so happy?
Oh, I'm a mother, daddy. Yes.
No, I don't like this. Jesus Christ. Oh, you
put any money towards this?
Baby, it has Jesus Christ.
That's one time
Alright, my people, tell me in the comment section, who do feel say shade them off out of yard for real, or them just a cap? You see me, cause me, my personal opinion, me no feel like say them a come now, me have to see that we believe it. Let me know what you think in the comment.
Yeah, give me a hand. Give me a hand, give me a hand. Jesus Christ. Baby, when I'm mama. Jesus Christ. Wait. How my belly butter wait. My belly butter.
Relax.